Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got MJ Lacquer 3 times a lady. I've started off with I Am Kate Peel Ease. And this is insane pretty. 3 times the lady. This is stunning. On the nails it glows, it glimmers, it shines. It is insane gorgeous. So here we go with our first coat. And it's jelly, so it's, it's got that jelly formula, but look how great the coverage was on one coat. We'll go ahead and do that second coat. I am really in love with this one. Oh, hi Woody, how you doing? Bring Woody out. Made a little bit of a mess here. I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick. Get it to dry down so that we can do some stamping. Oh, this is just... I'm just running out of words. I don't even know what to tell you because it's so luscious. Look at that. Oh. Okay, we're going to stamp with Pueen SE03B and Braves Diva Shutout. And I'll be using that Ajuba stamper and my beauty scraper. I'll get this blue film off of this plate. And I'm going to clean it with some acetone real quick. Love this plate. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to be pulling different images off of this plate from all over. I just couldn't pick like one part I wanted, so we're just going to rock with all of it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's just so sparkly and so there we go. I'm going to tap down the flyaways. We'll clean that stamper off on a lint roller. And then we're going to head on into some more images. This is like a peacock over here on the corner. Or a peacock feather. That's what it reminds me of. So, oh my goodness. I don't like this. I don't know what it is. Kind of reminds me of mustaches, but it's not. It's some kind of ornamental look. But I really like it. And then another flower. And a butterfly. I'm really liking the stamper though. It works really well. Here we go with the last image. Let's pick one more. And I gotta do my swirly twirlies. Got stampers rolling around and everything up in here. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Alright. So I'm going to clean this whole plate with some pure acetone. And then I'll wipe it with a paper towel. And I'm going to get my spritzer out on my desk so I start remembering to spritz it with the 99% alcohol before I put them away. That just kind of removes some of the acetone if there's any there. I am going to go in with a piece of tape here and get up some of this excess polish off of my fingers. And I have to tell y'all, this was one of those manicures that I did not want to take off. It was so pretty. I'm just very pleased. I will have a link for MJ Lacquer down below. There we go. I'm going to go in with my smudge-free top coat here. And then I'm going to top it with some Poshe. Get it to, be all sealed up and protected. But I hope you loved this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I would love to hear from you. There's my swatch photo. And I just want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.